So this episode's going to obviously focus around the splash of Catchin Rays 2, but there's also a couple of little things that we had to do before we were ready for that. So without further ado, I present to you episode 21. What are you doing, Tammy?
What do you mean? Oh, unscrewing some bolts that you can't seem to reach.
Well, why can't I seem to reach them?
You got little bitty arms. You got baby arms.
So she's trying to get that railing off, and it's right through that little bitty hole that goes to this crash locker, and I can't reach it. So that's what she's doing. Trying to make sure the Autopilot works. It looks like it's doing like it's supposed to. Position right. Pretty good. So these pieces here are broken off right here. We took off the padding that was behind there, and both these legs were broken. So we had a local welder weld these up. So should be good to go after we get the cushion on. Kevin the seamstress replaced these zippers on this helm seat. You weren't videotaping?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't have the right color stitch, but it came out okay. Okay, so it looks like she fit pretty good. These were the same type of end pieces that the original had on that. We're going to tuck these inside of the cushion, but came out pretty good. And my model for today, we really can't see because the backlighting is terrible. That is the boat from the movie Windy that they're moving. Right there. So I'm gonna go get a closer shot of it. windy. So for the bottom paint, we worked off and on for a long time. Tammy did a lot of the sanding, and then I did some more sanding, and I just wasn't happy with it. So then I started grinding the bottom paint off completely in the areas that I thought needed the most attention. Sanded some of the other parts that looked okay to just put new bottom paint on top of it, and then ground away the bottom paint that was chipping away. But some of the worst part about sanding or grinding off bottom paint is any of that stuff that slips through your personal protective equipment just burns your skin. So I learned that once I doubled up my suits, it eliminated that. So it made sanding the bottom paint off a little bit easier, but it's not something that I would be fond of doing ever again. We'll see how it does after we pull out the boat for the next hurricane season and see if I need to change anything or adjust anything. But in the end, it actually came out pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with it. You want to at least film them picking it up because I'm a little busy. It's already off.
So we're at the morning of the launch. It's almost 7 o'clock. We're supposed to launch basically as soon as Rhino gets here. One of the boatyard guys that drives the travel lift and get in the water.
And when we finally got to splashing the boat, it obviously is a huge day for us, and it was a long time in the making. It's 2 years of hard work and stress and commitment from us, but also from my family and my friends that helped us get it to that point. It's not something I was necessarily nervous about, but just a concern that maybe I had forgotten to do something. And then you just cross your fingers and hope that nothing major comes up, that you can stay in the water and continue to do the little things on the boat. it's a huge accomplishment to get this boat back in the water, considering how it was when we found her and then what she looks like now.
Are you fucking afraid of him?
No,
Vitaly, I gave him specific instructions and he did not listen. And also you don't listen.
I listened, but I did not do it.
Cobus, what's going on here?
Standing out for some dude.
Hey, see ya, Manana. Get it? See ya, Manana. The name of the boat is Manana. See ya, Manana. So here's the cushion. That's never gonna make the edit. I just don't think I have the balls to put that on.
Yeah. We're at North Sound Marina this morning. We're going to be watching them flip a boat over. So we'll see how it goes and what goes good and what may not.
You just can't be positive.
I am being positive.